Hi everyone, so we are back with another feature that I think that you will love, where you will be able to create personalized images like these, where you from plain text will be able to generate images adapted to each of your leads using variables such as first name or company name inside of the images. And this is going to grab your prospects' attention because they are expecting a boring and plain text-based email, right? And at Replic, we still believe cold outreach is the best and most cost-efficient way to gain new leads and new clients, but you need to do something that not everyone else are doing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate personalized images at scale like these ones, and how to add it inside of your outreach tool. So if you want to grab your prospects' attention and surprise them with these images, make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm Magdalena, one of the co-founders of Replic, and let's get started. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you're logged into Replic's dashboard, and here are all the personalized elements we offer to help you create hyper-personalized cold outreach campaigns for better results. But in today's video, we're going to focus on the personalized AI images, and here you have two options. And if you want to know what this is and why you would want to use this approach, then make sure to watch this tutorial. But in today's video, we're going to check this one. And from here you will be able to generate images from plain text. So let's make an example just to show you how it looks like. It could be image of box, the name on it. So when you're testing the prompt, you will need a name, but if you like the image that we are generating, then you will just be able to add the variables here. And when you added the variables, then Replic is going to pull the data from the file that you're uploading in the next step and generate personalized image after each of your leads. So this is one example, and you also have a few templates that you can choose from here. But basically you can just play with this how much you want. Let's say you want to create an image of like that, then you test your prompt there to see how it looks like. So with this, you will be able to just very shortly write 1 or 2 sentences and let the image make the impact. And another fun thing to do is so if you want to set up Replic with automations, we are on Zapier, on Make and on Pabbly, then you will be able to, if you're having an e-commerce for instance, and someone makes a purchase, then you can automatically send them personalized images inside of your thank you email, just to give you an idea of how you can also use this. And here's another really cool use case where you generate images in bulk. So if you don't want to use the personalization, if you're a content creator, for instance, and want to generate images for your social posts for higher engagement and save you time, then this is what you're gonna do. You're going to put different prompts like this inside of your file that you upload in Replic, and you will get different images to use in your social posts. So we have users using it this way, and it's really cool. And as far as I know, Replic is the only tool on the market offering this service right now. So make sure to try it out. And another one I really love is a image. So when I created a sequence of 3, 4, or 5 emails, sometimes I can feel a bit aggressive. So with this, in the last email, I usually get a lot of response when I have this one. Don't be mad, and then their first name with a cute picture really works. So this is another one I really love. Let's just choose one of the templates here. An image of Starbucks coffee with the name, first name on it, and then we're just gonna click next. And here you're just going to import your file. So I made a test file here. The first name, last name, company, email, and the website. And for these images, you would just need the first name, obviously, but when you're having your prospect list, usually you have more columns, and you will not need a specific file for Replic. So you use the prospect file that you have. And obviously I only have 3 example leads here, but you could have hundreds of leads inside of your list, and then when you save this one, you're just going to upload this as it is in replic, and make sure that the variable that you chose in your image, that you have a file saying first name, like for me here, and that's it. We're just going to click on show the images and wait for this generation to be done. So here we're just going to wait until we are redirected to the list of images. And now it's in queue, so in a few minutes we will have those images ready, and we're just going to see how they will turn out. So this is the examples I made in the beginning of the video, with the sticky notes with the company name on it. And now we're just going to see how the Starbucks coffees turns out. And now they are done, so let's see how they turned out. So you have Magdalena on this one, another one for Edgar, and another one for Maxime. And when we go back, we will be able to download this file. So let's download that. And when you have the replic file, this is the file that you're then going to upload inside of your outreach tool. So I'm going to show you how it looks like inside of Smartly. This is what we're using. So this is how it looks like in Smartly. So when you create a new campaign, this is the first step, and it asks you to upload the CSV file. So we're just going to upload that replic file in here. And just to quickly show you how it looks like, this is the replic file. So you have all of the original columns you have inside of the file, but what we added is the result images file and then image HTML email code. And if you're doing cold outreach on LinkedIn, this is the link that you would want to add inside of your outreach tool. But in this case, we are going to use this one inside of Smart Lead, image HTML email code. So we're going to upload that file, and we're going to map the fields here. So we have first name, last name, company name, and we have this one, image HTML email code. We're just going to add it as a custom field like that, and then save and next. Okay, your sequence. So we're just going to make a test, an example here. And here I want the image to be visible, so we're going to insert variables, and then this one, image HTML code. So the image is gonna be here, and then your signature here, something like that, and then we just do save and next. This is how it's gonna look. Bought your coffee, Magdalena. And if I send to Edgar, it's going to say bought your coffee, Edgar, and Maxime. So this is really, really impactful when you're sending this to your prospects, because they are receiving so many emails and so many messages, and they never expect to receive images like this. So this is great for making the first impact. It's great for follow-up emails, and you can also be so creative using the images and creating images after your own niche and specific product or service. You can use your imagination and your creativity in a whole another level when you're working with visuals such as videos and images. When you're working only with text, your copywriting is just going to come to a certain point. And also a lot of prospects doesn't read emails or messages anymore because they're receiving so many. So when they're receiving 5 or 10 emails with plain text and they receive this one, then I'm sure this is the one that they're going to reply to. And if you don't believe me, try it out, see how your reply rates will increase, and let me know how it goes. And if you have any questions, we are on the chat as usual, and I hope to see you there.